Yo guys, it's Thrifting Ilya. Welcome back to a new vlog. Let's go fucking cook today. I slept in for work today. I'm such an idiot. I woke up an hour after my shift. I'm like, oh my god. So what better to do than on a free day to go thrift, I guess. I'm not gonna waste this day, so let's go thrift. Let's go see what's going on. Let's go. Whoa. It's a really sick Comme des Garçons piece. Super clean. Yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this one. Bye. No. Hello, Columbia jersey. And it's real. Very nice. $9. Yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this one. Fire. Little Patagonia. Grab that. It's Patty. Oh, it is Patagonia. Sick. Ooh, 90s Patagonia too. Such a gnarly hat, though. I love this. I'm definitely gonna grab it. Apparently, this hat's $100 fucking. It's not just one. There's like multiple listings of it being at $100. Oh, hell yeah! Sick pickup. Little camo jacket. Let's see if I just pass on it. More Patagonia. Some more Patagonia. Yeah, I'll pick it up. Bro, what is going on today? We found so many Patagonia pieces. This is probably the fourth, fifth piece I've found today so far. Holy shit. It's so funny. Team Canada. $30 though. That is very steep, but this is a very nice jersey. Oy. We'll grab it for now. Cards about random company. Thing is, this is nice, but I don't know. I want one of the older ones with like the actual physical tag, like the stamp tag ones. I'm not too much of a fan of. I think I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so that blue jacket right there is a Canada Goose jacket, and I'm waiting for it. And I don't know when it's coming out, so we're gonna wait until it comes out. We'll see it when it's out. Thank you. Bro, for $20, this is a steal. So nice. Super sick. Yeah, it's definitely real. Bro, beautiful. Okay. It's not a crazy one, but it's alright. You can probably pass on it. Dead stock Harley jeans. Damn. I want to pick these up, but it's still kind of cool. I've never seen a dead stock pair before. Sick. Alright, we also bought Pokemon cards. So we're going to do a little pack opening. See what we got. Anything crazy? Oh, this is fucking cooked. Oh, the centering is so bad, but dude, that's so nice. I think it's the Evolutions Gyarados. Beautiful. Anything else? No. Oh, 2001 promo. Ole. Nice. Decent day. Honestly, really good. Bro, when I was buying my Canada Goose jacket, the girl saw the $20 price tag. She went like all pissed off and shit. I'm like, bro, just fucking scan that shit. What the fuck? But yeah, anyways, we cooked. So I'll see you guys for day 2. Bye. Day 2, beautiful people. Let's go fucking thrift today. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's go find some bangers today. Let's go. Day 2, let's go. 1991 Star Wars cup. This is brand new too. And Darth Maul one too. These are so fucking sick, bro. Holy shit. Some burb? Oh shit, okay. I didn't even realize this was Burberry at first. What the hell? This is fucking clean. Very nice.
All the time in production, not with the
What's this? I'll grab that. Yeah, I could just tell. Sec. Portugal jersey is real, which is fucking amazing. Sick find. It's a sick one. Great jersey. Very nice. Oh, some Tundra. Oh, this is such a weird design for Tundra. Usually I'm expecting like a 3D net, but $6, I'll grab this one. Why not? Bro, my car is fucking full. I gotta go empty this shit at storage. Today was a decent, honestly, it was a really good day. I'm not gonna lie, it was a really good day. But yeah, let's go for day 3. Bye. All right, guys, day 3. Let's get this going. Feeling good today. Yeah, let's go. Day 3. Let's go. Little Harley, Hawaii. Super cute. I'll grab this one for sure. Bro, what? Some Supreme? Okay. 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 And it's real? Okay. Okay. Nothing on the back, but okay. Very nice find. No. Is it reverse weave? Bro, it's my first reverse weave I've found. I've never found. I thought this was the the new tag, not the vintage one. Bro, this is so fire. Yes. That's one. Bro, this is so fucking dope. Super sick pickup. Women's Alpha Industry jacket. Honestly, I don't like picking them up unless they're bombers, so I'll probably leave that. What? Bro. $80. Get out of here. Yo, these are so fucking cute. I don't pick up vests, but yo, this is actually a score. Like, I know vest girlies would probably be going crazy after seeing this. I think I might get these, honestly. Yeah, these are fire. Nice little OHL jersey. So sick. Crazy one. What is this? Damn, $40 is fucking crazy. Oh well. Bruh. $3 for this is fucking crazy. Sick one. Bro, what? What? Yo, what the fuck is this doing in the pocket? Yo. That's fucked. Why is it in a kid's jacket? Yo, it's not even like one of the fake ones either. I'm not sure. Fuck, I gotta show this to the manager, bro. That's actually insane. That's fucked up, bro. The things you find in the pockets are crazy, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what team is this? Brussels? Made in USA? M? Does anyone know what team this is? If anyone knows, let me know. I'm gonna buy it. It's $5. Why not? Some Cause Uniqlo. Not a bad piece. I'll probably pick this up. Another one? Sure. Argentina. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna definitely pick this one up. Super clean. Lovely. Yo, fucking Orky pants. Yes, sir. Let's fucking go for $8. Yes, bro. These are so hard. I love Arc'teryx pants so much, bro. Fuck yeah. So nice. I thought you were going for this one.
I haven't seen that. So.
Nice little Ottawa Senators jersey. Got a nice little center suture as well. Very sick. Saw this peeking right here. Nice little baked beanie. Super clean. Oh, some Christian. Oh, yo, these are fucking sick. Sick pair of pants, bro. Fuck yeah. Here's the top. Whole tracksuit. Bro. This is a crazy tracksuit, dude. Sick. Some golden gooses, bro. $8. Oh, they don't know. They don't know. These are sick. Fucking fire, bro. Not sick. It's a crazy shirt. It's only $4 too. Yes, please. So football jersey. Got that. Alexander McQueen. I'll grab that. Nope. Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, it's a fake jersey, but it's still cool. Oh, another one. Got a Titans one. Sick. Got a Titans jersey. Got Alexander McQueen. Another football jersey. Sick. Bringing out some jerseys. Let's take a look.
I can buy chicken.
Yeah, it's not real either, but that's fine. Thank you.
Not real, right?
No.
Yeah, they look so real.
Yeah, I know. This one's fine though.
Is that real?
This one's real. It's just a bad size.
Yeah.
It's also $30. Perfect. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. A Saints piece. It's cool. I want it though. Wait. This might actually be sick. Miss Walt Disney. Oh, sorry, bro. This is fucking sick. What the hell is this? Oh yeah. Shitty price Raptors jersey. Very nice. Ooh, some fucking Drew House? Yes, please. Oh. Thank you very much. I would definitely take that. Woo-wee! Today was fucking great, guys. Holy shit. Every piece was great. Again, I don't even know what to say. Amazing day. Let's go for day 4. Bye.